This video will show you how to use the LXCE UpdateXpress to update the local machine from Lenovo support page. Launch the UpdateXpress with administrator privileges. In the Welcome window, click Next. In the Target Server window, select Manage the local server. Click Next. In the Task window, select Perform updating on Target Server. Click Next. In the Update Setting window, to upgrade the backup system firmware, select only Update the backup image of the BMC and UEFI where applicable. Click Next. In the Update Location window, select Check the Lenovo support website. Click Next. In the Update Type window, select the type of updates you want to acquire. The UpdateXpress System Packs is the preferred method to obtain firmware and drivers updates for the server. The latest available individual updates is the preferred method to install the latest updates. This option might give you newer updates and hotfixes. Select an option and click Next. In the Target Directory window, specify which folder you want downloaded updates to be saved in. Click Next. In the Internet Access window, specify proxy information or custom URL security configuration if necessary. Click Test Connection to check the availability of the proxy or custom URL settings. Click Next. In the Update Recommendation window, click Begin to acquire updates. The utility will list packages, giving details about currently installed component versions and versions now available. To display all update packages, select Show Updates of Undetected Devices. Select the packages you want to upgrade. Click Next. In the Acquire Updates window, a download progress bar will be displayed. When the downloads are complete, click Next. In the Running Updates window, click Begin Update to start updating the packages. The execution table displays the upgrade progress of the packages. When the upgrade progress is completed, click Next. In the Finish window, click Log to check the upgrade log and click Close to exit